So, it is a weekend. It is a Saturday. It is a fucking Saturday. And you have every reason to win today. Every reason to succeed today because you have no competition. You literally have no competitors here. Like nobody's competing. See, I ended up world famous. Premiers know who I am. People in authority, people in power know who I am. Why is it that I ended up so famous? Because whatever I say, whether it's truth, whether it's false, whether it's bad, whether it's good, I speak the truth. I speak whatever I want to speak. I prefer something better for where I live, and I'll say whatever the fuck I want to say. If it means it will do something good for this province, I'll say whatever I want. I became well known by premiers, well known by ministers, well known by people in power. People know who I am. Why is it? Because I worked hard, because I worked on something that I want to achieve, and I achieved it. At the age of 21, being extremely famous is extremely unique, extremely rare, but it was a difficult journey. I am extremely famous. That people know who I am. Why is it that people know who I am? I worked. Simple answer, I worked. I worked on what? I worked on what? I just didn't work. You can't just completely work. At the end of the day, see no result. You should have a plan. And these weekends that you spend was made for planning what we could actually work on. Because see, I had a plan. I worked on my plan. I believed what I will be doing. I worked on that plan. I made surgical precision. And I knew that if I were to continue working on it, even when other plans come up, I will win. I will not focus on other plans because I know what I'll be working on. I'm not going to change my direction, and I ended up being world famous. What is it that you could do to end up 1% of me? You could at least spend 2 or 3 weekends sacrificing it because you're going to get the weekends either on, and you could be 1% of what I am easily, but you don't even know what to do. I don't even know you. Like, who are you? People know who I am. Ministers know who I am. Premiers know who I am. Who are you? I don't know you. Nobody knows who you are. So if you want to end up like me, you have to work hard. You have to work hard. You have to work hard.